In this video, I'm just going to show you how to enable ads on your YouTube videos, and this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2022. Welcome to the Digital Tutor channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. Also, if this does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below saying it helped you out. I really do appreciate it, and it does mean that the video does get seen by more people. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do first is make sure you're part of the YouTube Partner Program. So to become a YouTube partner, there's a few requirements you need to meet. And currently that is to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and what they've recently added is to have no community guideline strikes. So as long as you've met those three criteria, what you can then do is come across to your YouTube account, like so. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just click onto your YouTube icon, and then you want to come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So once you're in your actual studio, what you'll see, if you look to the left hand side on this menu, there should be a tab down here called monetization, and what you want to do is just give that a click. And yours is going to look slightly different to mine because I'm already monetized, I'm already part of the partner program. This is just information about what I can do. But what will happen, you should have I'll see if I can get a picture quickly. Actually, no, what I'll do, I'm just going to switch to another account because I just want to show you guys what it's going to look like for you. So I'm just going to go into this one. It's just another channel that I've not really done much on. And what I'm going to do is just, okay, so go into my YouTube Studio. You can see I've got no videos or anything on this one. This is quite a new one. And what I'm going to do is click onto the monetization tab. So obviously you want to make sure you're in a location as well, which is eligible for monetization. All of this can be found on the actual YouTube policies. Alright, so you can see, and yeah, okay, so another thing they've added is you have to have two-step verification. This isn't really a bad thing because if anything, it just secures your account more. But you can see, yeah, so you need 1,000 subscribers, and what's going to happen, you've got this little kind of meter which is going to fill up and up and up. You want 4,000 watch hours, which is, it gives you more information here, so if you want to learn more about that you can do. Obviously no active community guideline strikes, so you just want to make sure all your content is meeting the appropriate community guidelines, so you don't get any strikes. And you want to turn on two-step verification. So what you can do is click this button which says notify me when I'm eligible, and when you've met all the requirements you should get like an email from YouTube just saying that you're ready to get reviewed for monetization. So after you've been monetized, to turn ads on your video, it's actually very easy to do. What's going to happen is YouTube's going to give you the option to once you've been monetized and you pass review, to turn ads on automatically on all your channels. And what you can do is actually choose what ads to put onto your videos. So if I actually come and open up one of my videos, I'm just going to quickly show you how it works. So you can see I've got $signs next to this, and you'll have a new tab like this called monetization, which gives you the ability to earn money from your videos. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is, if I just come across to monetization, so this is actually, obviously once you monetize, this will start coming up when you're uploading your videos. And you can actually go ahead and, you know, just basically choose monetization, so you want to make sure this is on. And what's going to happen is it's going to give you the ads that are available to put on your videos. I would recommend just putting them all on just because you will make more money. The display ads you might be eligible for, you might not be, and also these mid-roll ads as well. So basically only videos, as it says here, longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during the actual video. So again, you want to try and aim to make your videos quite long, because the more ads you got showing, the more money you're going to make. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. That's how you enable ads and get yourself monetized. So I hope that helped you out, and if that did help you out, please leave a like and drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.